Morning, YouTubers. Today I want to talk to you about establishing your brand to build your business. So essentially what you'll be doing is building your business by establishing your brand. My name is Edward Richards with prosperityinfluencer.com, and if it's your first time, just hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so that next time when I send out videos, you'll be quickly notified by YouTube to let you know that another hot tip, another jewel is on its way. Alright, so what we're going to talk about today is about you establishing your brand. Build your business by establishing your brand. Now you may ask exactly, what is a brand? And I'll give you some examples. You have BMW. When you think of BMW, Mercedes, Benz, Audi, you initially think of reliable, safe, quality vehicles. When you think of Radio Shack, you're thinking of equipment, quality equipment, right? If you think of Starbucks, you're thinking of premium coffee at premium price. It's not just coffee. You get coffee, premium coffee, it is quality coffee, different variety at premium prices, because you will have to pay your prices. Alright? So these are examples of brand. Is that thing that sets you apart from everyone else, from all your competitors. And in order for you to establish a brand, you need to know what is unique to you, what sets you apart from your competitors. At prosperityinfluencer.com, I've established a brand, whereas I think about motivating you and influencing you so that you can live a life of prosperity. Because here the thing is, we all need motivation, right? And we all get inspiration from different persons, different people, all walks of life. My aim is to just get you to understand that, hey, if others can do it, you can do it as well. There is nothing that sets you apart from anyone else in this world. You can do it, right? So my aim really is just to get you to understand. So I will send you videos. Not all the videos will be that I have done, but I will send you videos to motivate you and give you ideas that sets you apart so that you can move. It's up to you now to find that uniqueness for you. A friend of mine always call it a unique selling point, right? And that unique selling point is really that which sets you apart from everyone else, all of the competitors out there. So that as soon as people see your brand, they have an idea what they're talking about. If it's about quality, you're gonna get quality. If it's something that they know that if your brand is about current events, as soon as someone see your brand, they should have an idea that this is current events that's coming around. What you may be asking, how is it that I'm going to establish my brand? There are several ways you can do this, right? You see, once you have an idea of what is it that you want to produce, right? Create content, right? You need to focus on the things, on what you do. Focus on you. Don't think about it. We always used to say here that it's a noise of the market, which means that everyone around you will be making noise. What you need to do is focus on you and what you do. Build you, right? So as you build you need to build a tribe. As you continue to send out quality products, create quality content, because there's no point in you just sending out content that has really no value to others. People will not appreciate it, and you will not feel good about it either. So as you continue to create content, quality content, you will build a tribe. Focus on building a tribe, because if you're building a business, you're going to be thinking of sales. But it's not just about sales. What exactly are you providing? Right? You need to provide value. What are the values that you provide? As you provide value, sales will come, right? But focus on providing quality content and building a tribe of people. And you can do it by, there is social media you can use. There are videos, as I'm doing now. And these are stuff that you may not be comfortable with, right? But you have to find your way. There's also a blog. You can write a book. As you continue to write, as you produce, people will come, right? And there are events that you can speak at. These methods may require you to go outside your comfort zone, but that's good, because as you move out of your comfort zone, you grow, and with growth comes branding, right? And as your brand grows, so will your income. So that is something that you can focus on. So just find a way, find that uniqueness about you, and build your brand. Understand this. It is not going to happen overnight, right? It really is not. All of the successful entrepreneurs, whether it be online or offline, your business takes time to build. So take some time and build your business. As you build your business, brand you. Don't think about hopping from one niche to another, or hopping from one product to another. Get a quality product, focus on it, focus on building you around that product if you want to. And then you can, as you become established, you can also you can expand, right? But spend some time, brand you, build you, focus on you, and focus on creating quality content. Always provide quality content. I cannot stress that enough, right? Now, if you already have a business, that's fine. If you don't, I'm certain that a link is below. You can join me in mine, right? But if you already have a business, what you need to do is spend some time, build your brand. As you build your brand, your income will grow. Now, if you find value in all that I've been saying, hit that subscribe button, as I said before. Tap that bell so that next time when I send another video, you will know. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about branding you, and I will respond. All right? See you next time. Because as I've always said, if you dream it and you believe it, you can achieve it, because you deserve it. Peace.